This is Bellevue Square Shopping Mall, bustling crowds, flashing digital directories, and endless retail energy, a typical downtown shopping district. Can you imagine a peaceful urban oasis just minutes away, offering the perfect antidote to a busy day of shopping? The 329-acre Mercer Slough Nature Park offers a tranquil escape perfect for walking, biking, and wildlife viewing. As Lake Washington's largest remaining wetland, this vibrant sanctuary is home to hundreds of plant species and rich water resources.